In the warm heart of South America, a truly special animal lives. This creature is the capybara. It is the largest rodent in the whole world. But do not let its size make you think it is fierce. The capybara is known for being very calm. It is a gentle giant living peacefully with many other animals. We can learn so much from these wonderful creatures. They show us how to live in harmony. Their lives are full of quiet grace and acceptance, a true marvel of the natural world, inviting us to observe and appreciate their tranquil existence. Capybaras love the water. They live in grassy wetlands, near rivers and beside ponds. These places are their homes. Here they find everything they need to survive. They eat the fresh green grasses that grow abundantly. They also eat aquatic plants, pulling them up from the water's edge. Water is not just for drinking or finding food for the capybara, it is also a safe place. If danger comes near, a capybara can quickly slip into the water. It can hide there until the threat has passed, demonstrating a remarkable adaptation to its environment and the challenges it may face. Imagine a creature so calm that other animals feel safe around it. This is the capybara. Birds often sit on their backs. Monkeys might play nearby without any fear. Even caimans, which are like small crocodiles, can be seen resting close to them. The capybara does not seem to mind. It just carries on with its day, munching on grass or relaxing in the sun. This peaceful nature is one of the most amazing things about the capybara. It is a living example of how different beings can share the same space without conflict, a true ambassador of serenity in the wild. The appearance of a capybara is quite unique. It has a large, barrel-shaped body. Its head is also quite big and square. Their fur is coarse and can be reddish-brown to grey. They have short, sturdy legs. Interestingly, their front legs are slightly shorter than their back legs. They do not have a tail, just a tiny bump. Their eyes, ears and nose are all positioned high on their heads. This is very helpful when they are in the water. It allows them to see, hear and breathe, while most of their body is hidden beneath the surface. A perfect design for their semi-aquatic lifestyle. Capybaras are truly masters of the water. They are excellent swimmers. Their feet are slightly webbed, which helps them paddle through the water with ease. They can stay underwater for up to 5 minutes at a time. This is a very useful skill. It helps them to escape from predators like jaguars or anacondas. They can also use the water to cool down on hot days. Sometimes you will see a whole group of capybaras just floating in a river enjoying the cool water. They look so relaxed, as if they do not have a care in the world, truly at home in their aquatic playground. On land, capybaras move with a slow, ambling walk. They spend a lot of their time grazing, much like cows or sheep. Their teeth are very special. They grow continuously throughout their lives. This is important because eating tough grasses wears their teeth down. So, new tooth material is always growing to replace what is lost. They need to eat a lot of grass each day to get enough energy. This constant grazing shapes their daily routine, a gentle rhythm of feeding and resting, punctuated by dips in the cooling waters that surround their grassy homes. These gentle giants are most active during the cooler parts of the day. This means they are often busy in the early morning and late afternoon, or even at night. During the hottest part of the day, they prefer to rest. They might find a shady spot under some trees, or they might submerge themselves in water with just their heads sticking out. This helps them to conserve energy and avoid overheating in the strong South American sun. Their behavior is perfectly adapted to the climate they live in, a clever strategy for survival in a sometimes harsh environment. Communication between capybaras is fascinating. They make different kinds of sounds. They can bark, almost like a dog, especially when they sense danger. They also make soft clicking sounds, purrs and whistles. These sounds help them to stay in touch with each other in their groups. They also use scent to communicate. They have special glands that produce a unique smell. They rub these glands on plants to mark their territory. This tells other capybaras that this area is already occupied, a subtle but effective way of organizing their shared living spaces. Capybaras are very social animals. They live in groups which can be quite large. A typical group might have 10 to 20 capybaras. Sometimes, especially when food is plentiful, groups can join together. Then you might see 100 capybaras all together. These groups are usually made up of related females. They're young and one or more adult males. The males will protect the group. Living together like this helps them to stay safe. More eyes mean it is easier to spot danger, and they can warn each other if a predator is near. The social structure within a capybara group is quite interesting. There is usually a dominant male. He is often the largest and strongest. He gets the best access to resources and mates. However, even with this hierarchy, capybaras are generally very tolerant of each other. Serious fights are rare. They seem to prefer peace and cooperation. Young capybaras are cared for by all the females in the group, not just their own mother. This shared parenting is a wonderful example of their community spirit, ensuring the next generation is well looked after. One of the most remarkable things about capybaras is their peaceful coexistence with other animal species. It is not uncommon to see birds perched on a capybara's back picking off insects. Monkeys might groom them. Even animals that could be predators, like caimans, often share the same riverbanks without any trouble. The capybara's calm demeanor seems to create an aura of tranquility. It is as if other animals sense that the capybara means them no harm. This unique interspecies harmony is rarely seen so clearly in the animal kingdom, making the capybara a true ambassador of peace. In recent times, capybaras have also become famous among humans. Their chill and friendly nature has made them stars on the internet. People love watching videos of capybaras relaxing in hot springs or interacting gently with other animals, even domestic pets like cats and dogs. This online popularity has helped to raise awareness about these amazing creatures. It shows that many people are drawn to their peaceful qualities. While they are wild animals, their calm presence has found a special place in the hearts of many humans across the globe, a testament to their universal appeal. As human populations grow, capybaras sometimes find themselves living close to people. They might venture into farmlands or even suburban areas, especially if their natural habitats are shrinking. This can sometimes lead to challenges. Farmers might not be happy if capybaras eat their crops. However, in many places, people have learned to live alongside these gentle creatures. Some communities even see them as a welcome part of the local wildlife. Understanding their needs and respecting their space is key to this shared existence, a delicate balance that requires human consideration. Like many wild animals, capybaras do face threats. Loss of their wetland habitats due to deforestation or drainage for agriculture is a major concern. They are also hunted in some areas for their meat and skin. While they are not currently endangered as a species overall, local populations can suffer. Protecting their homes, the rivers, lakes and grasslands is very important for their survival. Conservation efforts that focus on preserving these vital ecosystems help not only capybaras, but all the other creatures that depend on these environments, ensuring a future for this unique biodiversity. The capybara has much to teach us. In a world that often feels busy and stressed, these animals are a reminder of the importance of calm. They show us that it is possible to live peacefully, not just with our own kind, but with all beings around us. Their gentle nature and their ability to get along with so many different animals is truly inspiring. They seem to embody a quiet wisdom, a way of being that prioritizes harmony over conflict. Observing them can bring a sense of peace to our own lives, a gentle nudge towards a more relaxed state. So let us take a lesson from the capybara. Let us try to be a little more like them. Let us find moments of tranquility in our day. Let us strive for peaceful coexistence with those around us and with the natural world. The capybara, in its own quiet way, shows us that a life of calm and connection is possible. By appreciating and protecting these wonderful creatures, we not only help them, but we also embrace the gentle message they offer to all of us. They are a true treasure of our planet, a living symbol of serenity.